Hello guys, welcome to Techno Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we'll show you how to remove and install the transfer roller on Toshiba eStudio 3015AC, 3515AC, 4515AC printers. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.